Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, 19 goals were scored across 4 games at the start of the second round as action continued in the Jamaica Women's Premier League on Saturday. More in this report.
Defending champions Fraser's Whip scored 4 unanswered goals against UWI in their battle despite the sloppy underfoot conditions at the Mona Bowl. The unbeaten league leaders who moved to 33 points were led by Neville Abel, who scored twice in the 36th and 56th minutes. Chanel Buckley in the 76th minute and Akeelia Johnson in minute 85 were also on the score sheet. UA, losing their 6th game of the season, remained 6th on 13 points.
Our game plan going into this game is see how best we could, because we have new persons coming in. Of our players who played last year would have gone on to college coming in, so you just integrate them in the team and see how best we can pass the ball around. Unfortunately, the underfoot condition did not allow us to do that today.
Meanwhile, Arnett Gardens, in their bid to unseat Cavalier and move into second place, had to come from behind twice to earn a 2-all draw at the Alpha Boys' home. Chanel Spence opened the scoring in the 4th minute, but the Junglist found the equalizer in the 35th minute through Brianna Crosby. Cavalier went ahead once again through Shadi Shirley in minute 55, but Tawana Shea Hamilton's 62nd minute goal earned a point for Arnett in the scrappy affair. Cavalier remained in second on 26 points, while Arnett fell to 4th on 23.
I mean, it's always going to be difficult, playing in conditions like this. I mean, the underfoot condition is something that you have to just live with. But I'm pretty much proud of my team. They showed fight, they showed character. And they showed that, I mean, if they stay together, anything is possible.
It was a good game. It could be a little bit better. The conditions got to both teams. I know these teams are vying for a semi-final spot, so it's not bad today. The goalkeeper made a little bit of error, but so it's the luck of the game, We couldn't get to play the ball around as we wanted to. The second half, we tried to go a little bit more direct.
In other results on the day, a 6-timer from former reggae girl Shoshana Campbell propelled Los Perfectos to a 9-0 hammering of Cellar Dwellers Federal United at Brooks Park. Los Perfectos moved up to 3rd on 24 points. Proven Girls and Wi-Fi played out a 1-all draw at York Sports Complex, while the game between Mile Gully and Real Bay was abandoned after 26 minutes due to a waterlogged Mile Gully Community Center field. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.